Yes guys, welcome back to this channel, and in case you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. So now I want to look on something else on complex waveforms, the definition of complex waveform and some of the explanation there. So a complex waveform is a wave which is not sinusoidal. As we know, in electrical engineering we have been talking about the sinusoidal waves, but in real sense there are some other waves which are not sinusoidal. So in this case, those waves which are not sinusoidal, they are called the complex waveforms. So the complex wave are just waves which are not sinusoidal. I hope it's clear, the video. Yes. So this complex waveform, in real sense, they can occur in many ways. Like our speeches, most of the time they're not sinusoidal, they're this complex waveform. Sometimes they are called non-sinusoidal or distorted waves, and they are produced due to the superposition of different sinusoidal waveform of different waves of different frequencies. So if we have like the first wave, the sinusoidal wave, let's say the frequency of this one is f, and we have another one whose frequency is different from this one, and you combine them, they superimpose, and if they superimpose, they form what we call a superposition. They form a complex waveform. So basically, a complex waveform consists of a fundamental wave, consists of two components. Number one is the fundamental wave, which has the lowest frequency. The fundamental wave has the lowest frequency of that wave. Then it also consists a number of other sinusoidal waves whose frequency are an integral multiple of the fundamental wave. So for instance, like 2f, 3f wave. For instance, if the fundamental has a frequency of 50 Hz, or the frequency of omega t, the angular frequency is omega t. So the fundamental, the other waves, like the other waves which will combine to form the complex wave, is like, it will be like 2 of f of this. If this is f, the second wave will be like 2 times f, so it will be 100 Hz. The third wave will be 3f, it will be 150 Hz, and so on and so forth. So basically, those waves whose waveforms are 2f, 4f, 6f, and then all the even numbers, they form what we call the even harmonics. While the others which are the frequency of an odd number, we call them the odd harmonics. So if you combine a harmonic and a fundamental, we form what is called the complex waveform. And basically, the fundamental is the first harmonic. For instance, if you combine the first harmonic, which is the fundamental, plus the second harmonic, you will form something like this. If you combine the first harmonic plus a second harmonic here, if they are in phase, they will form another wave. After superposition, it will form like another wave which will superimpose. It will pass, they'll just be in phase, form another wave, something like this. So this wave is what we call the complex waveform. And by the way, it's not a must that we have